All right, for our mini lesson this week for writing, we're going to focus on paraphrasing, what it means to paraphrase, and how you can accomplish that as you're drafting your explorer's research paper. So paraphrasing really means that you're putting something into your own words. Like we talked about with research writing, and like some of the videos talked about, when you're using articles to help you write, you need to put the information into your own words. You can't use someone else's words without giving credit to them. And you don't want to overuse quotations and directly quoting others. You need to have your own words and your own thinking in there as well. And paraphrasing is how you're going to accomplish that. So this is an optional practice piece. If you have someone at home with you that you would like to do this exercise with, you're welcome to. If that's not an option, you could find a friend to email or a sibling or someone that you could do this with if someone's available. So to practice paraphrasing, you would find a parent, guardian, you could find a friend, sibling, and this person or your partner for the activity would ask you a question, such as, what did you do after you were done with your schoolwork yesterday? Or where would you like to go on vacation and why would you like to go there? Those are just example questions. They could ask you other questions as well. And you're going to respond to their one question in 3 to 4 sentences if you can. So, for example, if my partner would tell me, where would you like to go on vacation? I would say that I would like to go back to Hawaii, and I would like to go there because of the warm weather, the amazing oceans, the clear water, and just how relaxing it was. I could really use some time in Hawaii right now. After you're done giving your answer to your partner, they're going to paraphrase your answer back to you. So really, they're going to put your answer in their own words and in their own way repeat what you said. And then you and your partner can switch roles. You would ask them a question, they would answer it, and you can practice paraphrasing or rewording their response back to them with the same questions if you want, or with different questions. Again, this practice is optional. I'm not checking in any way that you did it, but it might help you get started with thinking about how to paraphrase what others are saying. Okay, so when we're paraphrasing, there are the 4 R's that I want you to think about, and that is rewording, rearranging, realizing, and rechecking. So can you replace any words with synonyms in your evidence? Can you move some of the words or phrases around? Some of the information, like names, dates, and titles, you need to realize that those can't be changed, and that's okay. And then recheck, did you include the important information, and does your information still make sense after you've put it into your own words where you've reworded it and rearranged some things? Okay, you also want to think of para. You want to put the text in your own words. You want to avoid copying the text. You want to rearrange the similar text and ask yourself if you still included all of those important points. So here's an example. The actual text stated that at just 8.5 square miles, the Pacific Islands country of Nauru is one of the smallest countries in the world. The island was once rich in phosphate, but most of the resources have been mined, leaving damage to the environment behind. Nauru has a population of about 10,000 people. After paraphrasing, rearranging, rewording, realizing what I needed to keep the same, this is how it's paraphrased. Nauru is a Pacific Island country that is only 8.5 square miles in area. It is one of the smallest countries on the planet, and only about 10,000 people live there. Nauru has mined its once plentiful supply of phosphate. This has damaged the environment on the island. So I want to think, did I put the text in my own words? Yes. Did I avoid copying the text? Yes. Did I rearrange the text that it sounds similar? Yes. Did I realize things that I couldn't change, like